I'm going to show you how to use the patch tool on Photoshop, because this is a really handy tool to use when you're editing photos. Now you'll find it under, if you right click on spot the healing tool brush, the healing brush and the content aware tool. I'll show you in separate videos to do. So just going to open up a file and show you how to use the patchwork tool. So what I actually want to do is get rid of the picture of this dog in this picture. I could use the content aware move tool, and I could also use the clone tool, but I'm just going to show you how to use the patchwork because it's the quickest and easiest way to get rid of the dog. Once you click the patch tool, you click on the picture and draw a circle around the object that you want to remove. Obviously you need a more steady hand than I do. And once you've completed that, you just move it to any patch that's similar to what you want to create. So I just want to create a big patch of grass next to it, so just hold, click and drag next to it, and as you can see, the dog has been removed, and it looks like it's been there. It looks like the dog hasn't been there at all, and then move it across, but as you can see, it's like the dog was never there at all.